Si Pichu.
Come on na, box na, box na, box. I-box him. Very good. Again.
Again. Yeah, keep going. Knock him out.
There. You stay there only. That's good. Stay there and box.
You go, Chuck. Woohoo! Look, mommy. Look, mommy.
Wow.
Oh, you almost knocked him out, Jake. Again. Babae yung administrator ng ano. Yung almost.
Alright.
Paano yung ano, halos babae sila lahat yung isa lang lalaki. Ito na.
No, wait, Jake.
Ito na sa ano.
Ako nag-on ma.
Ako.
No, wait, Jake.
Ha?
Parang ang mahal ng renta. Office nila. Kalahati naman sa likod natin.
Wala. Padala building.
Pero may bayad yung parking.
No?
Pag mag-park ka doon, iwan mo yung susi mo.